Welcome back. Today we have this 4-degree polynomial and we have to find the value of x raised to the power 10. So let's get started and find out. First of all, we are going to multiply the whole equation by x. So x times x raised to power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x square plus 8x plus 16. On right hand side we will multiply by x also. X times 0. Now this x will be multiplied by all the terms. X raised to power 4 times x plus 2x cubed times x plus 4x square times x plus 8x times x plus 16 times x. When x multiplied by 0, it is equal to 0. We are going to add the like terms. X raised to power 5 plus 2x raised to power 4 plus 4x cubed plus 8x square plus 16x. X raised to power 5, we can factor out 2 from all these terms. Inside bracket we have x raised to power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x square plus 8x. If we look at this equation, we can say that x raised to power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x square plus 8x, and if we take this 16 to the right hand side it will become negative. So using this value we can put this value here, which is equal to minus 16 x raised to power 5 plus minus 16 times 2 is 32. If we take 32 to the right hand side it will become positive. X raised to power 5 is equal to 32. But we have to find the value of x raised to the power 10. So we will take square of this equation on both sides. 32 square. This is equal to x raised to power, when a raised to power m raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m times n. So we will multiply these two powers. 5 times 2 is 10 is equal to 32 square is equal to 1024. This is the final and required answer. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any query, you can ask to me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.